Hi, this is my 24-hour review on Olaplex number 5 for Bond Maintenance Conditioner for repairs and extra strength of hydration of all hair types. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when I have more videos. Hello, I'm Chablee and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been loyal supporting my channel, thank you so much. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I post another video. I'm really dedicated to making content for you. So you guys can tell me down below like what type of videos you're looking for me to do next, and please let me know how the videos that I'm doing, how they helped you. That would really motivate me to continue making these great videos for you. And let's just jump right into this video. Alright, so I'm just rinsing my hair with room temperature water and putting a little bit of the Olaplex number 5 in my hair, just using it as a detangler and finger detangling my hair and getting it prepped and ready for shampoo. So I just had a baby and it looks like I'm having postpartum, losing my hair. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Alright, so now it looks like it's got some slip. It's all ready for the OGX shampoo. I know they have a lawsuit going with this, but I'm almost done with the bottle, so whatever. But I probably will do a video talking about that. Or maybe that's why I'm losing my edges. I don't know. But I am losing my edges, ladies. So, water's hot. So, okay, I'm just going to shampoo this. And you know what? I'm actually going to use my massaging brush and bring that back. I haven't used that in a cool minute. Maybe that will help my edges to come back. Hello. Because I love this little brush. Wow, it's getting hot and steamy in here. Sorry, you guys. I should have cracked a window. All right, I'm going to speed up this video. Alright, so now I prepped the hair. Now I'm going to use that Olaplex number 5. So it says I should leave this in my hair for 3 minutes. And wow, I'm shook. It is thick. Okay, check that out, sis. It's nice and thick and creamy. So alright, so let's apply this Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I'm going to apply it throughout my whole head now that my hair is damp. Ooh, okay, it's saying that it will highly moisturize and repair my hair, and it's good for all hair types. Okay, that's a plus. It's going to help split ends and damaged hair and frizz. Okay, it's colored safe and whatever that means, and it will strengthen my hair. Okay, so I'm loving that. It has a HP balance of 4.0 to 5.0. Okay, cool. Well, so far I'm loving how it feels. It has great slip. It's just that my hair is not taking it in as fast as I want. I could just see it sitting on top of my hair. But let me put this silk scrunchie on and work it through my detangler brush and see if I could get some good slip. I do see it getting a little bit shiny. It's weird because this Olaplex has like no smell. Like I would think that the Olaplex would just be smelling all good and stuff. It has like zero smell. It doesn't really smell like anything, but I see the slip. Okay, it's gliding right through. I'm loving that. It's really not that heavy, so when I apply it to my hair, I could see my hair like kind of bouncing back. I think that's good with people with curly hair. So I'm loving that so far. I did apply it like midway through my hair. I didn't really place it on my scalp too much, so you're going to see some frizz. Okay, whoa, my tips look really nice. Okay, well, let me continue applying it through my whole hair and brush the sections. Oh yeah, and this video is not sponsored, you guys. I just purchased them with my own money at Sephora. This costs about $28 plus tax and sometimes shipping and handling if you purchased it on the website. So you're spending for almost pretty much a good like $33, $34, I would say. So, like I said, it's all hair types. You know, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's gluten free, it's nuts free, and it actually has no sulfates free, and it's a plant base, so I guess it's considered vegan. Holla. So I'm loving that so far. And if you go on their website, I'll link it down below. It shows like an image and a picture of what the because this conditioner is the conditioner number 5 bonding builder. So it breaks it down like what exactly it's going to do to your hair. So it's showing like hair kind of like choppy and broken up, and then it bonds it together and repairs the hair individual strands, and it makes the hair more soft and shiny. This is all the stuff that they're claiming that it's going to do for your hair. And it shows a lady with blonde hair, and then it has some reviews of a lot of girls with curly hair similar to mine in a little tighter pattern of curls, maybe like a 4C or a 3C. So I am just going to finishing twisting my hair in sections. I'm not parting it or making it look clean by any way. I do feel that my hand is gliding through as I'm twisting it, and I don't see the Olaplex just sitting on top of my hair no more. It looks like it actually sunk in my hair strings. I don't, and my hair is looking a bit more shinier, if that makes any sense. So it's supposed to repair. So far, I don't think I'm going to see something like right away. I don't feel like I can give you guys 100% perfect review on this actual conditioner. I really feel like I should use it at least 2 more times or 3 more times to give you the 100% review. But 1 out of 10, I would definitely give this conditioner at least a 8. That might change because I do want to show you guys what's going to look like the next day at my hair natural state once I take the twisties out and see how my hair maintain moisture and see if my hair is even shinier and see how my tips are. So let's just speed this video up and I will show you the next day. Okay, so once I'm done completing these light twists, I'm going to rinse out this Olaplex conditioner number 5 with cold water. And this is what it looks like getting out the shower after I rinse it out with the water. And I'm going to wrap it up with the silk bonded. And this is the next day. How my hair looks, you guys, after using the Olaplex. Man, I do see, or it's saying that it repairs and strengthens my hair and nourishing all hair types. So, I mean, it does feel fine and smooth, but it's hard to say because, when you have a good wash day, your hair, and if your hair is in a good healthy state, it does well, but it feels soft. I mean, I didn't style it yet. I wanted to show you guys like when I take the twist out with no gel, no products in it, just right out of the bed. I'm just taking it out. It is still a little damp, but not too much. My scalp feels really good. So let's see what that looks like, sis. Hello. Feeling it. I mean, I like it, but for the price, I feel like Kinky Curly, because it's like half the price, can do like the same thing. It really reminded me of Kinky Curly, and I'm not too excited about the size. The size is a bit small. It did have good slip, you know, all that good stuff. All right. It does look pretty nice. Let's see the back. It doesn't have a special smell or anything. My hair's, you know, it doesn't smell like flowers or nothing special. But it is fluffy, and it did get away from the frizz. It's not really that frizzy at all. I mean, for me to just straight take it out with no... You know what? I would give it an 8. A 1 out of 10. This is like an 8. So, I mean, you probably should try it on your hair, especially if you are a 4C, you know, like me, or 3C. It says all hair types. I mean, you like, yay, go get it. It's like, give or take, it could work for you. But for the price, I don't know if I'm gonna go out and buy more, you know, for that price. So, I mean, the size, see my hand? See my hand? It's like not really that big at all. Not compared to the bottles that I'm used to. So, do feel the softness, the fluffiness, the bounce, you know. The tips are not frizzy. It was really easy to tangle my hair, but nowadays, like, it's so many products out there that's really doing it for my hair right now. So the high, like, ratings that they're giving this, like on Instagram and TikTok, I don't know. I want to give it all of that. I mean, it's worth buying it, but to stock up on it and like this is my go-to all the time, no, definitely no. You know what I mean? Not for that price, no. Maybe I'm being a little cheap, but yes, sis, look at that. That looks really nice. I'm feeling that right in there. That looks nice. It feels good. So please leave comments down below if you guys are gonna go out and try this, or if I'm like judging this too hard and this really worked out for you. I want to know, you guys. Please leave the comments down below. Like I said, this is a very small little bottle. It's about $28. It matters where you get it, you know, shipping and handling and tax. It could have to be almost like $30 for this little bottle. I don't think this is like a salon. Like if you go to a salon, this is what they're gonna put in your hair. It's kind of mediocre grade level of conditioner, from my opinion. So please give this video a thumbs up, you guys. I appreciate it, and feel good, y'all. Have a great day. Peace.